Did you know that video reviews are the most popular category on YouTube? Not only that, but video reviews optimize incredibly well in search results and are often prominently displayed on page 1 in Google. In fact, according to Forrester research, it's 50 times easier to achieve a page 1 ranking on Google with video, making video the most effective SEO tool available. In addition, Marketing Sherpa found that video increases organic traffic from search engines by 150% and doubles the time visitors spend on your website. Video reviews also create a deeper emotional connection with your brand and build a higher level of trust with potential buyers, making them more likely to buy. They are also incredibly flexible and can be displayed in many strategic locations, including your shopper-approved certificate, emails to your customers, your YouTube channel, Google search results, your social media channels, and your website as part of the shopper-approved traffic and conversion stack, all generating high levels of trust, social proof, and buyer influence. With Shopper Approved, collecting video reviews is easy. Thanks to our all-in-one review survey, your customers can leave a seller rating, product review, and video review all at the same time, making the entire process fast, effective, and convenient. Bottom line, video reviews are an SEO and conversion secret weapon that can help you take your brand to the next level. To see what video reviews can do for you and how they work within the traffic and conversion stack to drive more traffic and higher conversions, schedule a demo today.